Hello again, Art 1 students. We are going to talk about the second type of line drawing today, and it's called a gesture line drawing. The definition of a gesture line drawing is quick, sketchy lines showing outer and inner edges. It seems to be the favorite way for a lot of my students to draw. It's actually my favorite way to draw, so this is like one of my favorite kinds of drawing. So I've already titled my sketch paper here, Gesture Line Drawing, and we've got the same pear back that we've been using for this project, for the contour drawing. So this time we're also going to use our observation skills. Which means we're going to be constantly looking back and forth from the pear to the paper, from the pear to the paper. But this time we're going to be using a sketchy line. Quick and sketchy, but I don't want you to go too quick. I want you to make sure you're paying attention. And remember, we are using as much of the paper as we can. I'm using my ballpoint pen today. I would encourage you to use a ballpoint pen because I, again, want to encourage you not to do erasing. There's no need to erase in a gesture drawing because if you make a mistake, you just draw back over it. So I'm again starting at the top of the pear, and I'm going to make quick sketchy lines that go back and forth. See, the line quality, you can already tell, is very different from the drawing that we did with the contour. So this is gesture, quick and sketchy. And then when we put our stem in here, it's also sketchy. So you're sort of like doing these lines that go back and forth, and that would be your gesture drawing. Let's go ahead and try something a little bit more difficult again. We'll try our teapot. So we've got the teapot again. Set my paper up here so you can see everything. Again, I'm looking sort of at the same point of view I was the last time. I'm going to again start with my center, but this time you can see my lines are going back and forth. Quick and sketchy. This type of drawing has an entirely different feel than the last type of drawing that we did. Quick and sketchy doesn't mean messy. It just means it's another way to get your drawing on the paper. So rather than making smooth outlines like we did with the contour drawing, now we're making quick, sketchy, sort of back and forth lines in order to show our drawing. And then we come over here and we figure out where our handle's going to start. You're doing all of the same kinds of drawing, the same things that we drew the last time, but now we're doing an entirely different type of line drawing. We've got this part over here for the handle. The great thing about this, and this is how we would start most of our drawings in class, is it's a quick, easy way to get your drawing down on the paper in order to make sure it's a good size and a good placement. So again, gesture drawing is a drawing made with quick, sketchy lines, and you're still getting all of the inner and outer edges of your object. I will again be posting the same two objects that we drew last time. This time you're going to be drawing them using the gesture technique. Make sure you label your paper and make sure you draw one on the front of your sketchbook paper, one on the back of your sketchbook paper, and please make sure you photograph both and submit them to this assignment. All right, guys, happy drawing. Talk to you next time.